Look at that packaging. Even the paper bag has a shiny Apple logo. Thumbs up for the effort to look authentic. We have the cloned AirPods box here, and it even has a free case for the case. The rubber case does not look that great, and it even blocks the LED light of the AirPod case, but it's free, so we don't have the right to complain. All these inclusion on the package are only worth 750 Philippine pesos. I bought it from this Facebook store called TechSum. Just communicated with them through Messenger, and after about an hour, shipped through Lalamove, I already have the package. Okay. So this is the box. It is sealed and looks really nice. One thing that would give away that this is a fake is with this printed words here. I think in the authentic AirPods Pro, this should say MagSafe charging, not wireless charging. I think the prints on the box of the original is also a bit embossed, while the prints on this one are flat, probably just printed with a normal printer ink. Okay. Let's open this bad boy. Literally a bad boy since it is, you know, a fake, or to sugarcoat it, a premium copy. Here's one fake indicator again, the inner box is placed upside down. I think this one is for the paperworks. Yes it is. And there's a lot of them. We have the actual AirPods Pro and its case here. Even have the plastic cover. Nice presentation. We'll get back to that later. Let's check the rest of the box. We have a USB Type-C to a lightning cable here. Which means they really put in a lightning port to charge the case. They are deeply in character here as an Apple product. Lastly, we have an extra ear tips just like the packaging of the original AirPods Pro. We also have 4 extra ear tips here on 2 different sizes. Now for the main event, let's open the AirPods clone itself. The feel on touching the case is really nice and solid. There's a premium feel about it. Let's open it. Wow. This looks exactly the same as the original. We have the LED indicator here lighting up as green. The LED look very dim though. But overall, looks really nice. The earbud itself feels premium as well. A hard, smooth, shiny premium plastic. They even have the sensors here to detect if it is inside your ear or not. Looks really nice for a 750 peso price. Let's do one silly experiment here. Let's try to test if they are interchangeable. Let's put the right one in the left side. Nope. They are not. Which is good. There are 2 ways on charging this cloned AirPods. First is through the classical wired charging using the actual lightning cable that came along with it. You will need a brick for USB Type-C though since this is the cable that comes with it. Or just use the one you are using for your iPhone. I haven't charged it through wired cable yet, so I don't know how long it will take. I actually don't have any Apple product at home, and the only USB Type-C charger that I have is a 65-watt brick. I don't want to use it for this AirPods as it might fry it due to a very high wattage. Luckily, I have a wireless charger, which is the second way to charge them. Yes. This 750 clone AirPods has a working wireless charging built in on it. Charging the case through wireless charging can take up to 2 hours. The LED indicator of the case is weird though. When you charge it, the LED will glow orange, then after about 2 seconds it will turn off. So you'll never know if it is still charging or not. When it is fully charged, the LED on the case will glow with green color, then after a few seconds, it will turn off again. So if you miss that green glow, you'll never know that it has already been fully charged. Weird LED charging setting. As for the battery life, I was amazed by these fake ones. They can last up to 3.5 to 4 hours before going empty. It is not on par with the original, which can last up to 6 hours, but still, 4 hours is pretty amazing for this very cheap imitation. The case can charge the AirPods 3 times over before you'll need to charge the case, which is again great. I was honestly expecting way less battery performance from this cloned AirPods Pro. All expectations were exceeded with flying colors. Pairing is a breeze. You can connect this through iOS or Android phones. It's basically the same process as the original AirPods Pro. I'm using an Android phone here for the demo. Just enable the Bluetooth from your phone. Then open the case of the cloned AirPods Pro. You will see a solid green or orange LED light from the case. As long as it is not blinking, you're good. Then your phone should now detect an AirPods Pro device. Just tap on that to begin pairing. Tap pair. And you're done. Depending on your phone, there could be a message about compatibility of the codec, just tap OK on that message. That's it. Now, every time you use the clone AirPods Pro, it will automatically pair with your phone, and there's no need to do anything anymore. Now for the controls. First thing to note, when you take off one earbud from your ear, your music or video will automatically pause. Just like the original, these fakes also have a working proximity sensor, which detects if you are wearing it or not, which is really a nice feature. While the force sensor, or the touch control sensor, is this carved line here located at the side of the stem. Both left and right AirPod has this touch control force sensors. You use it by tapping them. A single tap on these touch sensor will play or pause your music or video. When you receive a call, one tap on this will also answer the call. Double tapping the force sensor is for move next. It will skip your music or video to the next one in the playlist. For phone calls, you can use the double tap to decline the call. Triple tapping the force sensor will do a move previous on your playlist. It's basically the opposite to double tap. It has no counterpart control for phone calls. Lastly, a long tap to the force sensor will open the phone's built-in assistant. That's Siri for iPhones and Google Assistant for Android, which is what I am using here. Note that there are no controls that are specific just for left or just for right earbud. There are no distinction between the left and the right, all mentioned controls do the same function regardless if you do it on the left or the right AirPods force sensor. Unfortunately, the swipe gesture on the force sensor to control the phone's volume is non-existent here. Other than this, basically all the controls that you have on an original AirPods Pro is also here. The microphone is decent enough on these fakes. The volume of the microphone capture is a bit low for my taste. The recordings come out with a lower volume that I am expecting. But on the good side, the voice is always the dominant sound in the recording. There is also a little noise cancelling happening here as the background noise are reduced and as I've said, making the voice of the person talking as the dominant sound that you can hear. Phone calls, I think, are a bit better than recording as the volume is a tad higher. Listen to these microphone tests that I did and let me know what you think in the comment below.
Hello, I'm testing the clone AirPod Pro microphone. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is on a quiet environment in a room. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello, this is a test of the AirPods Pro clone on a noisy city environment. Hello, mic test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, mic test. Hello, this is a phone call test using the clone AirPods Pro. Hello, mic test. Testing. Hello, 1 2 3. Testing. Hello, hello, mic test.
One interesting item that I discovered when I connected these AirPods to my laptop is, they are always set to mono. Both the left and right AirPod has a microphone of their own. But since when connected, they are always mono, only one of the microphones is working. So sometimes my recording will have a louder microphone capture from the right earbud, sometimes the left is the one working. I can't have the two microphones from left and right earbuds work at the same time. If you know how I can set this as a stereo instead of a mono, please let me know in the comment below. I don't own an original AirPods Pro, so I can't compare the sound of these fake ones with that, but I do own a Sabbat E12 Ultra, and I must say, these clone AirPods Pro can give Sabbat a run for their money. Instrument separation are very clear. Highs, mids and bass are all good too. It is loud enough to enjoy any kind of music. When watching movies or TV series, the dialogues are crisp as well. I can't really think of anything to complain about the sound quality of this cloned AirPods Pro. Aside from the Sabbat E12 Ultra's a bit punchier bass and a higher maximum volume level, I think everything is on the same level for the sound quality. And do note that the price of an E12 Ultra is more than 4 times the price of these fake AirPods Pro. I was really surprised with this great sound quality from an imitation product. I wasn't expecting this to be this good. As for the latency, as you've seen with the pairing earlier, this has an AAC codec, which means latency is expected to be good here. Who knows what other codecs are in this AirPods Pro clone? There might be other great codecs here. In a real-world usage, just like its sound quality, the latency is great. I don't see any noticeable lag between what I'm watching versus what I'm hearing. In fact, comparing it to my Sabbat E12 Ultra again, latency here is better. In Sabbat, I notice maybe around 100 to 200 millisecond latency. But in this fake AirPods, it's all synchronized. Alright. The final question will always be, should you buy this or not? Well, basic human decency dictates a big no. It doesn't matter how you put it, this is still one form of piracy. We all know that many Apple products are assembled in China, thus, they can easily get their hands on some blueprints of these Apple products, and when they do, they can create a superb quality imitation of these products. Case in point, these clone AirPods Pro here, which is admittedly a really great product. But no matter how great these products are, they are still born out of piracy. But then again, looking at the other side, not everyone can afford the super overpriced products from the current technology manufacturers, where Apple is absolutely one of the leaders, so many are drawn to buy these fake products to, at least, have a taste. and experience these great innovative products, regardless if it is just an imitation. To end this video, I will throw back the question to you. Are you willing to buy these great but obviously pirated products? If yes, what is your decent and logical reason for doing so? If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. SoundSurge for watching. Air.